Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at a spreadsheet and wondered how you could organize your information with clear levels, maybe to show who reports to whom, or simply to structure tasks so things aren't just one big list, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a neat, professional-looking hierarchy in Smartsheet. It's a simple trick that can instantly make your sheets clearer and much easier to navigate, whether you're working on a project plan, a to-do list, or mapping out your chess team structure, which, fun fact, we'll use as our example today. So let's dive right in. Go ahead and open up Smartsheet in your browser. You can either create a new sheet or use an existing one if you want to follow along with your own data. For the purpose of this tutorial, though, we'll start from scratch, so you can see exactly how hierarchy works from the ground up. Let's start by typing out our sample data. In the first column of your brand new sheet, type out the word king. Just hit enter to drop to the next row and continue with queen, then bishop, horse, rook, and finally pawn. If you're familiar with chess, you'll recognize these as the pieces, but don't worry if you're not a chess player. The idea here works with any set of items you want to arrange in levels. Now, here where the magic of hierarchy in Smartsheet comes in. Smartsheet makes it super easy to show which items belong under others, kind of like how folders contain files or departments hold teams. When you look at your list, they're all sitting at the left edge right now, equal. But sometimes it's important to show visually that, say, all those other chess pieces report up to the king, or in a business context, that certain tasks fall under a larger milestone. So let's create that hierarchy. What you want to do is click on the row for the queen. Hold down Shift if you want to select several rows at once, in this case, queen through pawn, that all should fall under the king. With those rows selected, look up at your toolbar and find the indent button. It's usually a little arrow pointing right, and hovering over it should say indent row. Go ahead and click it. Take a look at what happens. Instantly, those rows shift slightly to the right, and you'll notice a small expand collapse arrow appears next to king. This lets you easily show or hide the lower level items. Great for keeping things tidy when your sheet gets big. Hierarchy isn't just about visual neatness, though. It helps you, your teammates, or stakeholders immediately understand structure and relationships at a glance, reducing confusion and making collaboration simpler. Now, maybe you made a mistake or want to change things up. No worries, just select the indented rows and use the Outdent button, the left-pointing arrow, to move them back out. So you can always tweak and adjust your hierarchy as your project evolves, and that's really all there is to it. This process might look simple, but mastering hierarchy in Smartsheet can transform how you organize everything from task lists to strategic plans. It's like switching from a jumble of sticky notes to a well-ordered binder. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Smartsheet tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.